What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got another unboxing for you guys. And as you guys can see, the 700, we got the Yeezy 700 right here, cream color. Let me show you guys the front right here. So I did get a size 11, which is my personal, but I won't be rocking these ones. These ones are gonna be for resale. Sorry you guys that are hating on me for reselling, but you know, it's the name of the game, it's the business. You guys don't hate on people that are buying houses and flipping houses. Anyways, let's get back to the I was gonna say shoe reselling. Let's get back to the shoe here. So it is size 11, and for some reason, I don't know why, but you know, Adidas and Yeezys, they like to repeat the color. So it is cream, 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 cream. Okay, so, oh, it does have the boost on this side, by the way, if you guys were wondering. It does have the boost. And I wanted to let you guys know how I actually got a pair of these, and they are retail. So my wife actually won on the Adidas Confirmed app, and I was so excited. Like, we really actually didn't even know until I checked my bank account that same day, later on that day, because I took an L on both apps. So it was like L, and then like I asked my wife if she could look at hers, and then she checked it out later, and it was kind of like it wasn't even on there no more. So she automatically thought that she didn't, you know, win. She didn't take that W. But when I saw my bank account, it said Adidas, and I was like, Adidas? I didn't go to Adidas. And then it just hit me. I was like, no way. So I grabbed her phone, I went over there, checked it, and I'm like, man, we hit them up, you guys. So this is, like I said, I am reselling them, and we're gonna be cashing in $90 hopefully after everything's said and done. They're still not sold yet, but they are on Go. So I am selling these on Go. Let me go ahead and open them up so you guys can see what it's looking like. And I gotta tell you guys, my wife has been getting very lucky lately. She's been taking all kinds of wins, and I am so happy for that. So she is my good luck charm. You know, she's gonna keep getting them. And I know I just opened it, and I don't mean to mess with you guys, but I did want to tell you guys, so a thing about like the Confirmed app. So I have two accounts, right? So I put both of them in on a couple days before the actual draw started, and then my wife's, she put hers in the night before the draw. So I was like, oh, remember to put that in. So she put it in night before, and she's the one that won. I always thought that if Adidas, they want to see that, you know, you're motivated, that you want the shoe. So like, I always thought like if you put it a couple days before you the actual draw releases, that you have more chances. But she hit, and she did it the night before. So we're gonna continue that on her phone. We're gonna try on my phones and see if you know, if that works better. But for us on this drop for the 700 cream, it worked, and hopefully, you know, we're gonna keep it going like that. Fingers crossed. Okay, you guys, so we do have, you know, I mentioned it's just the regular drawer. It's the usual, you know, Yeezy box, the cardboard and all that good stuff. It does have that cream tissue paper. And here they are in person, in the flesh. Well, for me at least they are. So here they go, you guys. I gotta tell you, you guys, my honest opinion is that these look like straight up like dad shoes. I am a dad, but I don't think I'm that old to be rocking these. I mean, if somebody gave them to me, I probably would rock them, don't get me wrong, but it's just, I don't know. They look like dad shoes to me. I don't know what to tell you guys. If you guys could see, you got the reflective right here. I do have the studio lights on, so maybe you guys could tell, not sure. And of course you got the boost. I love the boost. If you guys haven't had a pair of shoes with boost, you will never go back after you get the boost. So you guys can see the cream. So they're called cream. I believe like this, the midsole is cream, and then you got like different, I guess, shades of cream over here. This one looks more tan than anything, and then this one looks kind of beige to me, like beige. And then we got silver. We got different color silvers. And then the very front also right here, so you guys can see. Let me do a quick turnaround so you guys can see it. I hope you guys are liking this video so far. Let me know if you guys actually won in the comment box below. If you won on the Confirmed, or if you were actually able to get these anywhere else, like on Stock or Go. No. If you guys were able to get this for retail, I definitely want to know. Let me pull out the second pair, because Just want to make sure. Sometimes you find out that there's like extra laces or whatever, and that is not the case here. Let's see, yeah, that is not the case here. So it does not come with extra laces. It comes with the same grade color laces as the tongue here. And now that I'm feeling it, it's probably nice. Oh no, I thought it was going to be transparent, but it's actually not transparent. Oh, you can see a little bit of light through right here. Actually, it is slightly transparent right here. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I will check you guys out on the next video.